This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. A health crisis has claimed the lives of 24 children in the tribal area of Birsa block in Balaghat district. The deaths are reportedly linked to poor vaccination coverage, malaria and malnutrition. Madhya Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister and Health Minister visited the affected villages on Saturday. During the visit, he reviewed the health situation and took strict action against official vaccination officer Dr. Paresh Uplap and malaria officer Manisha Juneja were removed from their post with immediate effect. The government has ordered officials to take urgent steps to control the outbreak and improve healthcare services in the affected tribal areas. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has appealed to all farmers to get their farmer ID made. The campaign started across the state on August 20th. The Chief Minister said farmers will not have to travel from office to office or stand in long queues. Government teams will visit villages and help farmers create their farmer IDs. Dr. Yadav made this statement while virtually addressing the Balram Agriculture Festival at Piparsam Agriculture Market in Shivpuri district from New Delhi on Saturday. He urged every farmer to complete the process and get the farmer ID made as soon as possible. A heated argument broke out between senior and junior officers at the Bhopal Municipal Corporation headquarters on Link Road number 2 on Saturday. The dispute was between Narela Assembly Health Officer Sumandar Sharma and Zone 19 Assistant Health Officer Balveer Malik. The two officers reportedly argued over work-related issues. The situation became tense when Malik tried to take off his shoe, but another officer stopped him. Later, Malik went near a government vehicle and showed his resignation letter. He reportedly said that he always keeps his resignation with him and claimed that he does not even listen to ministers. Health officials in Indore are worried after a second case of swine flu or H1N1 was reported in the city. The development comes after the death of a woman from Ujjain due to the infection. The newly infected patient has been admitted to a private hospital in Indore. The patient is currently receiving treatment under medical supervision. Health officials are keeping a close watch on the situation and monitoring the patient's condition. The latest case has raised concern among health authorities who are advising people to remain alert and seek medical help if they develop flu-like symptoms. 38 children fell sick after eating a midday meal in Dharampur village of the Sanwar area in Indore district on Saturday. Soon after having the food, the children complained about stomach pain, dizziness and headache. They were taken to Arvind Hospital in Indore for medical treatment. 19 children were admitted to the hospital for observation and treatment. Doctors discharged all 19 children at around 7 pm. According to doctors, none of the children is in serious condition now. Health officials are looking into the incident to find out why so many children became sick after eating the midday meal. The police investigation into an online betting case has now reached a suspected organized network with link to Dubai and other countries. Police are focusing on Kulbhushan, also known as Nana Patwari. During the examination of Nana's mobile phone, police reportedly found evidence of 2 online betting apps that had been deleted. Investigators followed these digital clues and allegedly found links to people involved in online betting from Dubai and other countries. On Friday, Rajiv Nagar police arrested Rahul Nebhola, Soumya Preet Shinde and Dharmendra Khichi in connection with the case. The investigation is still underway. Neemuch Deputy Collector carried out a surprise inspection of the district hospital after walking to the trauma center without using a government vehicle. During the inspection, he found several problems including poor cleanliness and staff members missing from duty. The officer strongly reprimanded the responsible official. 4 dogs were found sleeping near the OPD registration counter. A female dog had also given birth near the TB ward. The Deputy Collector expressed anger over the situation and ordered immediate action. The dogs were removed from the hospital premises. Officials were also directed to improve cleanliness and maintain proper discipline inside the hospital. The monsoon remains active in Madhya Pradesh with heavy rain expected in several parts of the state today. The India Meteorological Department has issued warning for both West and East Madhya Pradesh. East Madhya Pradesh may receive very heavy rain at isolated places, While West Madhya Pradesh is also likely to see heavy showers. Thunderstorms, lightning, and strong winds are possible in some districts. Bhopal and several other areas are also under a rain alert. People are advised to stay alert, avoid open areas during thunderstorm, and follow local weather updates. The rain activity is likely to continue over the next few days.